Okay, so I have tried this on 2 occasions prior to this video. So you put your water in here. When you open this, you put your water in here, then you put your pouch, your coffee fill thing in there, whatever coffee Keurig thing you're using. I have Dunkin' Donuts in there. And then you press this on, and this little thing is so awesome. It takes literally 3 minutes and you have a cup of coffee. And this light is gonna stay blinking until the water gets hot. You can literally hear it. I tried this on a little battery pack thing. It didn't work, so obviously because I brought it for camping, I'm gonna have to plug it into my Jackery, which I tried, and it definitely powers it and works perfectly. No issues there. So it's portable, it's lightweight, and it gives you the perfect cup of coffee. I am very impressed. Very impressed, I must say. Because I am not a fan of instant coffee, so. And the coffee is nice and hot too. It's not like lukewarm or anything. It's super hot. Just like I like my coffee. This thing came on time. Well, there was a delay. Now see that? It's emptying. See that? Coffee. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. You could see the smoke coming out the hot water. I'm telling you, this thing is perfect. I made half a cup of coffee, or 3/4, whatever, because that's all I wanted. I had a full cup this morning already. But see how the light is solid now that the coffee is being made, and see that smoke? I am very pleased and very happy with this thing. This is an awesome product, and it will serve me well if you're camping and you want to use this. Look at it. It's a little lightweight thing. It's small, compact, perfect.
So I just got my CHULUX coffee brewer. I'm excited about this because my old coffee maker, not this brand, but it just broke, and I wanted something simpler. This one is perfect. You can see it's small. It's only a little higher than my hand. Makes a single cup of coffee, and you can use disposable pods, like Keurig pods fit in this, or you can use filter coffee with one of those reusable filters. I'm excited. So let's open this up. You can see it's simple, and I love simple. There's really just on-off button. You're going to open the top here, put in your cup, your K-cup or whatever you use, or the reusable filter, put that in here. Fill up 1 cup of water and put it in here. Close the lid, turn the handle, and then just press on. It does take about 3 or 4 minutes to brew a cup of coffee, but it's hot and it's really good. Okay, so I plugged it into the kitchen, and I'm gonna make my first cup of coffee with it. All right, it holds about 12 ounces of water. So just fill up your coffee cup, pour it in here. Now all my pods are at work, so I'm just gonna show you with some tea. You can put the tea right in there, shut the lid, close it, put your cup under there, and then press the power button. You'll see that it blinks, and then it does take 2 or 3 minutes to warm up, and it will make noise. It's not quiet. You'll know that it's working. And then after 2 or 3 minutes, you will have a nice hot cup of coffee or tea. Enjoy.
My new machine that makes coffee with the K-Cups. I just got it in the mail yesterday, so I'm testing it out. I am making green tea. So it's just warmed up the water and it's making the cup now. As you can see, I love red. It matches the rest of my appliances in my kitchen. So I love it. Thank you. And it has an automatic shut off when it's done. So it's done making the tea now. And it's gonna shut off. As you see, the blue light has went off. So it's very safe. Thank you for watching.